What's up, YouTube land? Jay with Irish Outlaw Garage in my bright new lights. Hey, guess what? No Name Nationals has been announced. That's right. September 21st through the 23rd, 2023, Jeffers Motorsports Park, which is awesome, by the way. If you get to see this place, it is well maintained. It's perfect track. It was a great place for all of us new friends to meet each other. Question is, what am I going to bring? I have no idea. I don't know, what I got 263 days as of today. I don't know what I'm going to do. Uh, I don't know if I have a car that, I can bring down there. I got, 16, I think I counted. Well, we know we want to bring the Javelin down there. Obviously, we'll probably bring the Ranchero Blanche. We might bring the Cutlass, might bring the Malibu, if we can do bracket racing with that. We might bring a square body, might bring, I don't know. It's not like I don't have a lot to do around here. Yep. I'm just, but you see, there comes a time in a man's life, like when you're trying to, make things for the better and everything just goes to shit in a hurry. You don't know what the you're going to do. You only got 263 mother days. And now I'm sitting here with an engine apart in the garage. I got an engine on my goddamn stand over there. I got a car out there with, it needs things done. And they're going to throw this shit on me 263 days? For fuck's sake. Why the Anyway. September 21st to the 23rd. Sikeston, Missouri. No Name Nationals. I'll get it together. Just not real sure. Let me ask Blanche if she wants to go. Blanche, you want to go to No Name Nationals? All right, then.